Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time, so let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Alright, for such a quote-unquote late start, we're only 10 minutes past the early entry. And it's gonna be I think it's gonna be a quiet day.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain and thunderstorm a lot today.
Yeah.
I mean, it's raining right now, but hardly.
Barely. I mean, I wouldn't use my camera if, or Aaron's camera, I should say. I don't know why I'm doing it this way. So we're gonna see what's open. Should we head straight back to Steel?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, you'll find out probably, well, at the same time we do. I want to record this now just in case it gets rainy and I can't do it later, but all three...
Monster Jam!
Thunder Alley! But anyway, sorry about that. At all three Cedar Fair parks so far, they have this exact drive-in. I mean, it might be the exact same foot layout. I mean, it looks cool and I like it, but it's just weird that it's a cookie cutter. Okay, that's us. We're heading back to the park to see if Steel's running yet. We're guessing it's not, so we're gonna go on Maverick. If it is, I mean, yeah, that's the plan. I don't think Aaron's gonna be going on Top Thrill this trip, and I told him I'm disappointed, but I'm not gonna make him do it. Even though I really can't make him do it. But on our roller coaster road trip, when we get to King Dakar, he absolutely has to go on that one. That's his cost for going on the 3-week adventure. I think that's a small price to pay. Yeah, just because we're awake, Snoopy doesn't have to wake up yet. His shift doesn't start for like another hour or so. Just let him rest. It reminds me of that one parade we went to.
Oh yeah.
Where they had, was it? Yeah, that's true. Was it a Snoopy then too?
No, it was Kermit.
Oh yeah, it was Kermit.
They had to bend him down to get the...
Yeah, right. Do we do an Aaron Press the Button Parks for that trip?
Huh?
Do we do a...
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so either. Sorry guys. You have to wait another 1.5 years for that one because that parade only happens once every 2 years. What was it, like a cheese fest or something?
Yeah, cheese fest.
Yeah.
I doubt we did that.
Well, I don't think so either. It wasn't anything special. Alright, what were you saying, bud?
2 hour long, 2.5 hour long.
Yeah, that's crazy. What would be the max time you'd want to go on a coaster for, Aaron? What's the longest? Then it would be too long. An hour? An hour? You? Whoa, hi.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, I'd say 5 to 10 minutes.
It should say 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah, but
it says 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Because as much as I love Steel Vengeance, if it was more than 5 minutes long, I don't know. That'd be a lot. I'd start getting lightheaded or something.
Yeah, so do the front.
Yeah, well.
Action. Can you hear the Soarin' music?
It's really quiet. You timed it perfectly.
Look at that tired boy right there.
Yeah, he's tired.
I'm not tired.
Oh, there you go. This does sound future-movie, doesn't it?
It definitely sounds like Epcot. And back in the background, look at that beauty right there.
Mimi?
Or that black-winged or red-winged blackbird. That thing right there. Beautiful. Best wooden / steel hybrid / whatever.
Why do you have to put a qualifier on it? It's just the best coaster.
Best coaster, best RMC, best coaster golden ticket award of 2018. Will it hold up in 2019? We shall see.
I didn't have the camera.
The grist mill was used to produce flour or meal by grinding wheat and corn.
It was often the busy center of a community and
kinda cool.
sometimes operated on credit during hard times. The miller would keep a portion of the meal or flour produced in exchange for grinding the farmer's harvest. Outside stands a 14-foot high water pit.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, this side of the park's really well themed.
Yeah, and now we get to just take our time.
Yeah, maybe do the scavenger hunt thing?
Yeah, the scavenger hunt thing. Into the forbidden.
Yeah. Why are they welcoming us to the forbidden frontier? It's forbidden. We shouldn't be doing this. You're bad for doing this, Aaron. Of course, we're being a bad influence on you.
I don't know.
We don't know.
I don't know what this is.
Yeah, I don't know.
What is it? Tom Sawyer's Island?
Yeah. No, I don't think so. This is like, there's gonna, yeah, we'll just find out. I think I know what's going on, but. Oh.
Right now we're
Snake River Swamp. I guess you pull it yourself to get across. It's like a action thing. Ooh. Cool.
There are two symbols on this token, everyone. These are the symbols of our two clans on the island. You see the symbol that looks like a mountain with a river running through it?
Yeah.
Hold it up for everyone to see. That is the Cayuga symbol. They are people of the water. They like nature, animals, and trees. Now turn the token over. That is the Wapi clan symbol. They are the lucky people. They like progress and transportation. It will be your decision to choose one tribe today that you will join. And once you choose a tribe, you will be able to get a hand tattoo, and you will also be able to join in competitions that are middle ground throughout the day. So choose wisely. Now Shannon, hold on to that token tightly. Do not lose it. It is yours to keep, okay? All right, now leave these strangers away from my hut, please. I want to go back to bed. Thank you. Good night.
Good night. I woke him up. Knocked on the door.
See, this will be fun, right?
I don't know. I don't know what he said. I wasn't listening.
Well, thankfully we have
I
to.
know one of these is they're different clans and you have to pick one.
Yeah.
Editor-in-Chief of the island's ledger, Mary Claire Murdoch.
Woohoo!
Thank you, Kylie, and thank you, Kennedy, for that wonderfully adequate introduction.
Always happy to be somewhere other than the farm.
I'm sure you are. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you all to our first Truth Day competition. Now, we have got lots for everybody to do today.
Momentous day. We welcome newcomers from the mainlands to help celebrate as well as join in the rousing competition for the much-coveted treasure map. The Wapis and the Cayugas will meet at middle ground throughout the day to compete in public challenges. Points will be awarded after each challenge, and the clan with the most points at the end of the day shall win the map.
They're all like, yeah, okay, so this area is cool. It's like Survivor mixed with Westworld mixed with maybe, I don't even know.
Tom Sawyer's Island.
Tom Sawyer's Island mixed with, I don't know if Outlander is like this, I don't know this thing. But it's cool, it's themed.
It's fun.
Like once this gets worn in more, it'll be cool. But like obviously it just opened yesterday, so
Yeah.
The Eagles is set.
Yeah. Although I think Aaron's just a tad too old now to enjoy it.
Or he's a tad too tired to enjoy
Yeah,
it.
maybe
I
that's
think
it.
if he was awake, he wouldn't like it.
Yeah.
What do you think? You would want to go up there?
That looks like it's a pretty cool bridge.
It's really big
Yeah, that is a big slide.
Both of them are.
It's like at Maggie Daly. Oh. Want to do the other one now?
Yeah. Which one do you think is gonna blast, Aaron?
Yeah, 1, 2, or 3.
Which one?
3. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Whoa. Can you lift up the toilet seat? No. Whoa! Ah!
Let's go find some coffee.
That's a good idea. It's a cute one.
I know, he looks like cat. Frog.
He looks like a wild boar? I don't know if he looks like a wild boar. That's one of the best looking full-grown pigs I've seen. You know, most of them turn pretty unattractive. Yeah.
He's cute.
Yeah, he is cute.
I want to hug him.
You missed it. I think Mommy scared some people when you yelled the word pig. It made people turn around like, what? Oh, she's just a weirdo with a fetish. When you come to Cedar Point, this is what you think about. Relaxing in a rocking chair. That's what was my first impression of coming here.
For our table at Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel?
That's what you do, right? They have
No,
the
but
rocking chairs on the patio.
What was that one place in New Hampshire where we waited in rocking chairs?
A pancake parlor? I
Yeah.
don't remember, but yeah, same thing. I'm just saying Cracker Barrel because most of you guys know what a Cracker Barrel is.
That's a good point. This is really, really nice.
Comment below if you don't know what a Cracker Barrel
We rushed to go on a few coasters. We went on Steel Vengeance, Maverick, and it dropped. I'll never remember what the.
is. Valve 3,
Yeah, I don't know.
something like that, right?
But this is nice. I said that 3 times already. Sing it.
In my ear, tell me all the things that I want to hear because it's true. It's what I like about you.
That's what I like. They do the like different songs and the theme of the area.
Yeah.
I really like the Painted Black one. That's ripped straight from Westworld. But that wouldn't be playing in this area because they know how to theme. Alrighty, ready to roll. So you would have been right at home in the 1870s.
Did they have rubber bands back then?
Maybe they didn't, so they just looked at it. Alright, we finally got off the rocking chairs. And now Mommy wants to feed a pig. Do you think she'll be able to feed a pig?
No.
I don't think so either.
Anymore.
Oh yeah, you can't sing your song.
I think you're partially on an island. Aaron's head over here because he's scared to walk by animals and cages.
And Aaron and I were right. Mommy can't feed a pig. Sorry. What car do we have?
Green.
Frog green.
We finally get to go on this today. It's been too windy. They haven't been really running this that much since we've been here.
Alright.
The whole time we've been here, this past 24 hours plus a little bit more. We haven't really been here that long.
No, we haven't. Just like
But it feels like we've been here a month.
Topsville Dragster, even if we waited in that line yesterday, the winds, it would knock it down. I don't think we would have got a chance to ride it because the line was so long and it's barely up.
Yeah. This building over here is the arcade, and it's been here since like the early 1900s. It's over 100 years old.
I'd love to see what they're doing on the second floor, because that looks like it's a prime location for an arc ride.
I want to go on the Ferris wheel still.
Oh, it looks like they even have blinds that like they could set it up right there.
Yeah.
They might use it for the haunt.
They might, yeah. But I want to go on this green ride again, Raptor.
Yeah. That's cool.
And I don't know if that's running still. It has. I haven't seen it. Oh, there it goes. I think maybe gatekeeper.
Oh yeah, there's people in the station.
Oh yeah.
It's funny. By the time you get to the top, you get one length, and then it goes start going back down.
There's the rest of the park. There's our baby back there still mentioned. And we're gonna eat lunch at our favorite spot.
Tiny Rockets. Proud sponsor of Monster Jam Thunder Rally.
How does it go, Aaron?
Monster Jam Thunder Rally. So is it good?
Oh yeah, Aaron's missing a camera.
What was your small little thing that you got for yourself?
I didn't get it for myself. I got it for Aaron and you. I hope, and everybody that's around us.
Yeah, that
That's
thing
a
is...
Rice Krispie treat with Oreos on top. I'm gonna take a bite.
Yeah, I do actually.
If I can get my jaws around it.
Just dislocate it like a like a snake.
Oh.
Pretty good? Alright, I'll try a bite in a second. Okay, I actually got a regular dog this time at Pink's, and there are artists in there. I think that was cute. Got a dog all snugged in to die.
Aaron.
Oh yeah, that's something to say.
This is the safest field I've ever seen. We have seatbelts, and there's even seatbelts for the door.
That's ridiculous.
I'd rather them err on the side of safety than hey, you guys are close enough.
Myself.
You know, like me on the train ride. That's really, really cool.
Yeah. You want to run?
Wow, Top Thrills actually running.
Wow.
There's kind of a line on the horizon. It's not as good.
Yeah, this morning it was like kind of like over there, but you can still you see it really good on the video.
Yeah, but this morning couldn't see it at all.
It's kind of getting chilly.
Yeah.
But guess what? It hasn't rained all day, and it was supposed to be like
It's sprinkled.
80% chance of thunderstorms.
You're not allowed.
Right? Here's beautiful Cedar Point, surrounded by water. Water over there by the parking lot. Water, 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 water.
It's an island. It's connected to a bridge. That's the
Beautiful.
Alright, we just got off Gatekeeper. It was almost a walk-on. We had to wait for a train. It was really nice. That's probably my number 2 coaster.
Yeah.
Aaron, what do you think?
Yeah.
It's a good ride. I mean, it's not very forceful, but it's acrobatic, and the head chopper effects are really good.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
I think I prefer staying on the other side of the so we went on the first side.
Yeah, see, I thought I liked it better than the second time.
I don't
That's funny.
know.
But anyway, well, who the heck knows what we're doing next? We're just wandering and really just relaxing. It's funny, we're relaxing, but how many, we've gone on like...
We've been on 7 coasters today.
Is it 7? I thought it was like, well, anyway, yeah, we've been on...
7.
Wow, and flat rides and all this and that.
Flat rides, yeah, we went on at least 2 or 3 flat rides. Maybe
Did you get in the
more.
picture? We're not even trying to get in the picture.
Oh, sorry. 2 or 3 flat rides, even more. We're gonna go do some more flat rides. Probably now.
Yeah, I think so. We'll do our flat ride and then we'll see what we find. All right, they're finally going on Tiki Twirl. I could have went on Wicked Twister or whatever that one's called. I could have went on Wicked Twister ties on the time it took him to go on the Swans. But hopefully they'll like it. They don't seem to like it that much. Oh, yeah, what?
I'll be singing the Chipmunk song.
I want to hear you do it.
Vacation.
Oh, wait, you gotta do it with them.
What?
You gotta do it with them.
Huh?
They're almost hitting the chorus.
Ready? Sing with me. They're not at the chorus.
Oh, they're not. Well, then you can talk about your enjoyment of Tiki Twirl.
Oh, yeah, it was horrible.
It wasn't horrible.
Well,
What?
it was like a lame version of Fiddler's Fling.
It seemed a little bumpy.
Yeah, it was, but it was really lame.
Here we go.
Ready? Vacation, all I ever want. I was thinking. Why did you record me anyway?
Because you're cute.
Really?
Well, the Matterhorn was a bust, so now we'll go to the real Matterhorn and see if this one's going to be a bust or not. What do you think? What? Yeah, we'll see. But this one doesn't go backwards either, so. Alright, the rain started finally. What time is it? 3 something? No, 5:13. That's how off I've been today. 5:13, the rain just finally started. We're in Starbucks, Mommy's at the front of the line. We were lucky enough to get a table. And does she have a game besides Bubble Smile, or do you have to play Bubble Smile?
I'm playing Bubble Smile.
He hasn't really been on any electronics really. But yeah, we're enjoying this. We wanted this kind of downtime. Alright, Mommy's trying to win Jimmy the Third. She's having them guess their weight. I don't want to watch because I get too anxious, nervous about those kind of things. I don't know, I'm weird like that. The rain just let up again. I went to the car, pick up the jackets. Some people were really complaining about buying ponchos. I guess they're $7 each, and then the rain stopping, like it's their fault, like the park's fault. Some people are silly. I'm glad we decided we were gonna buy a few at Meijer last night, but I'm glad we didn't, because wearing a poncho, I don't know, feels kind of weird after a while. We're gonna be walking around. I think we're gonna take the train to the back of the park and go to the museum. We bought a couple t-shirts already. We're eyeing excuse me. Oh, hey, looks, there's Jimmy the Third. He did win Jimmy the Third. Ah, nice.
Guess what she guessed?
What did she get?
That I weigh 155 pounds.
Wow. Yeah, she was a bad guesser.
190.
Was that what it showed on the scale? Wow. And there's Jimmy the Third. Should we go to the car again? Or do you want to just bring him around?
Or do you want to carry him around with you?
Alright. Alright. Jimmy the Third is coming with us. Good job, Mommy.
I do not want to guess my weight. Everyone says there's no way you weigh 200 pounds. I'm like, yeah, I'm really close.
So now we can do this. Now this will be our, we got a ringer for when we go on our summer tour. If we see any animal we like. Yeah, right, exactly. That's what I mean.
Well, that's why I wore this. I wore this jacket to look thinner.
Cool.
Aaron's jacket.
Aaron's protecting Jimmy the Third from the rain.
Just gained all my weight that
Yeah, that's true. That's more than 40 pounds there. That's a disturbing tumor you got there.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, we wanted to look and see what our 140 tickets will get, but it's really crowded right now, so we can do it tomorrow morning when it's quiet. Right? Yeah, you were smart and she was not as smart. You knew that the B team was in, so you were able to win Jimmy the Third. And now we're on the train. I wonder how much of, what's it called? Bone Town? Bone Village. Boneville?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't remember.
I was on this side. We didn't ride the train this way yet.
No, we haven't. You're right. That's what I'm saying. On this way, I wonder how many. Oop. Hey, don't fall asleep on us. Wake up. You're gonna miss the ride. Jeez. He's drunk or something. Yeah, it's an old-timey lift hill for... That was interesting. I don't remember being so many tunnels being in Millennium Force. Oh yeah. And there's beautiful Sandusky on the other side. Can't really see it.
The downtown kind of looks cool. I didn't see it though.
Oh yeah, we didn't go to the downtown. We just went to their shopping strip area. We went to Meyer. Oh, there's actually somebody in it. It's actually running today. Isn't that weird? I know. The 2 days when it was hot, it was.
That's weird. Why wasn't it running yesterday?
Yeah, I don't, but there were people. Well, you saw the video.
Yeah.
There was some bored guy sitting there watching empty train after empty train go by.
Empty train.
Oh, sorry, empty raft. There. Oh yeah, I guess that's Maverick. But I was drooling. I was drooling over Steel Vengeance.
Oh, I thought you were saying.
Yeah, you know what, Maverick? Because I have a little bit of a sunburn on my shoulders, those restraints really are uncomfortable.
Yeah, there's like Steel Vengeance down there.
Yeah. It's a shame it's not like gosh, what's the one at Carowinds again? Copperhead Strike. Yeah. Oh yeah. Weird. Do we go back that way? Yeah, why is Boneville over there? And you're going way too fast on Maverick to see it. That's weird. I don't get that at all. Okay, we have to stay on for Boneville. Because I want to see Boneville.
Now entering population 51, 49, 48. And funeral parlor.
What?
Monster.
Oh, yeah.
And Woodstock Express.
It's pretty.
That's fine, Daddy.
Hey, they moved him around. They moved him around. That gun was in a different spot last time. There he was. Now we gotta go on it tomorrow.
There's forbidden, whatever.
Forbidden what?
Frontier. I said Forbidden Frontiers the first time.
I swear the guy with the gun was on the other side last time. Oh, the fires aren't running today.
All the rain made it go out.
Yeah. like a mess of steel.
It looks like someone who doesn't know how to tie their shoes.
Yeah. Yeah, just like Poltergeist.
Yeah, look at the top on top.
Oh, you can barely see it. That's pretty cool.
Top real nice.
Yeah, that's neat.
Like there's fog and there's top.
We're pulling into Monster Jam Thunder Rally. Sponsored by Monster Jam Thunder Rally. And Monster Jam Thunder Rally.
Alright, so we just got off the train and we saw that Steel Vengeance has a super short wait, we think. It says it's less than 15 minutes, so the boys are going out while I hold on the frogs and the frog and the what is it called? Souvenirs that we got. So they're gonna go on Steel Vengeance, the best coaster in the park. Wonderful. And I'm gonna go into the Steel Vengeance shop since I have all this stuff. Cool.
Oh, they're riding Monster finally. Looks like they like it. They're smiling pretty good. It's like a, you know, it's just a typical spider. I wonder if they'll like it better. Oops. Ugh. Don't tell them I dropped that. Better than grilled lobster. Grilled lobster. Ah, they like it. One more turnaround. What? Hi, we're back. We're back in the room. We got back a little bit early. Like we're back at 9:30. It's about.
Sure.
We had a fun day. Aaron and I ended up going on Steel Vengeance again. I don't know if we already said that.
We bought some Steel Vengeance.
Yeah, we got a lot of merch, so that was kind of fun. We bought a lot of little souvenirs. Nothing major, like a couple shirts, a poster, stuff like that. Ooh, I look red.
So do I.
Yeah. All right.
I look like my sweatshirt, and you look like your shirt.
But today was a big win because we thought it was going to be raining most of the day, and we forgot to buy ponchos. But I'm glad we did because we really wouldn't have used them. And we went on a bunch of coasters, like at least eight, 9.
8.
Okay, us 9, Aaron and I.
I think 8, or
Okay,
maybe
but
9,
anyway,
whatever.
Yeah, whatever. We went on a bunch of flat rides that we didn't get to go on yet. Good day, right?
Mm-hmm.
And here's Jimmy the Third, like you saw Mommy win. Because they were off by what, 40 pounds on you?
Almost. They had to guess my weight within 4 pounds, but they guessed almost 40 pounds difference.
Yeah, so that's good. All right, so I think that's it for today. We're gonna hopefully go to bed somewhat earlier.
Did you tell them that we ate at the Italian restaurant?
Oh yeah, no, we didn't. Yeah, we had a little minor issue with the dining plan, was no big deal, and we had that Italian place near the front. Hugo's. It was good. It was really good.
Mm-hmm.
The meatball sub was good. The chicken parm you said was good,
Mm-hmm.
and the pizza was really good.
What about the garlic knots?
Yeah, they were pretty good. I mean, they were fine.
New Frankie Jr. mission's coming soon.
Yeah, I hope so. Hopefully
With
they'll
a
do
new
it.
star.
Jimmy the Third. Okay, can Jimmy press the button today? No, it has to be Aaron press the button. All right, so tomorrow is going to be our last day at Cedar Point. We're probably going to be leaving the park around 3, so we'll see how that works out. So Aaron, go ahead.
Can we leave the park at 3?
gonna
That's the
Cedar-
question.
I'm gonna Cedar Point the button.